on, guys? Welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ, and today we are taking a previous recipe of mine, brown butter banana bread. If you didn't see that, link for that is down below. You need to check that out. We're making French toast with it, honey, because brunch can never be too over the top. The recipe can be found using the link in the description. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every Wednesday for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. Obviously, the most important part of this is the brown butter banana bread, so be sure to check out my video and the recipe on my website to see how to make a loaf of this delicious brown butter banana bread. You will need it for this. It needs to be completely cooled. So for the custard, I have a couple of large room temperature eggs that I'm lightly beating and then adding 1/3 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 cups of milk, and 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're just gonna whisk that until it's nicely combined, and I have inch-thick slices of our brown butter banana bread here that we're going to go ahead and dip in the custard. You wanna dip it in the custard for about, I'd say 3 to 5 seconds on each side. Since it's a pretty substantial bread, it can hold a lot, so it's really not gonna break down too much. Don't over soak it, obviously, but 3 to 5 seconds each side. And once all your bread is soaked, we're going to go over to a large skillet on the stove in which I've heated a couple tablespoons of unsalted butter over a medium heat until nice and hot. Don't let it brown though. And we're gonna cook the banana bread on this first side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is a nice, beautiful golden brown. Then we're gonna give it a nice little flip there. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes until that other side is a delicious golden brown as well. And then plate it and top with some maple syrup and confectioner sugar, and you have the brunch of your dreams. And just have the best brunch of your life, honey, because this stuff is too good to be true. I already ate it, so I don't even have it with me, but I assure you, your friends will love you forever if you make this for them. Once again, the recipe can be found using the link in the description. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.